If you want to recover deleted files on OPPO Find X9 Pro, then in that case what you can do is we can go to the one of many apps actually. Essentially we want to go to the app in which we removed something. So for example, I'm gonna start with this Photos app. This is the OPPO's Photos app, the gallery. In here, if you remove photos and videos, you're going to go to Albums, scroll down, and then we have Recently Deleted. And in here, we can, for example, press and hold our finger in order to start selecting everything that we want to recover, and we can use the Restore option. Besides that, we have the Google's we have the Google's Photos app. There we go. And in here, in order to find trash, we need to switch from photos to collections. Over here, open trash, and there we go. Tap on select in the upper right corner to choose whatever we want to restore over here by using this button. And furthermore, these are of course only Photos apps, but if you removed some files using a file manager, then in this case, if you used My Files and then scroll all the way down in the Files section, and here we have Recently Deleted. And if you use the Files app by Google, in this case, in order to find apps and recover them, we can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and go to trash. And over here we can also select anything that we want to restore, and we have this button in here that can be used for that. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.